Welcome friends. So today we will be discussing a very interesting topic. It is expiry day Bank Nifty strategy using open interest chart. So today is the Bank Nifty expiry. So today is the expiry day and we will see a strategy, we will discuss a strategy of trading Bank Nifty using open interest chart. And this is almost a live kind of situation. Right now it is around 145 150, so still there is 1.5 hours left to the expiry. So we will see how you can trade the expiry and make some profit out of it. But before I start the webinar, let me tell you a short intro of mine. As you know that my name is Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit my site at stockmaniacs.net and get all the resources of the intraday as well as positional traders over there. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting my next updates, next videos almost instantly. So before leaving the video, please hit the subscribe button and you can join me instantly. Or you can also join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account under me. I do provide various extra benefits to the traders who are under my trading team, like you will be receiving free calls, market hour calls from top research analysts of India, as well as there will be some training, training videos, some softwares, all free for you. So if you want to join my team, just WhatsApp your name, phone number and email ID to this number +91 96743 21856. So let us come to the point. Let us see how to play the Bank Nifty using open interest chart on the expiry day. So let us go to the Bank Nifty chart first. So this is the Bank Nifty's hourly chart. We have actually opened the zero the kite chart of Bank Nifty. If you do not have a chart like this, you can immediately get zero the kite by opening this link. Just remember this link, bit.ly/zerodha-demat, ZERODHADEMAT. You can copy this and you can open a browser. You can paste this link, bit.ly/zerodha-demat, and you can open this link. So this will go to the Zerodha's account opening page. Yeah, so you can get Zerodha kite and get your this kind of charts instantly. Just fill out your details, your full name, your mobile number, your email ID, and you just click call me back. So the Zerodha people will call you back and they will help you in opening an account. And once the account is opened, you can get a powerful chart like this. So now let us see the technical scenario of Bank Nifty currently. The Bank Nifty has made a high out here around 27,160 level, and from there it has made a low around 26,075 level. So let us find out its Fibonacci levels. So Fibonacci levels, Zerodha kite will automatically draw the Fibonacci levels. So just select Fibonacci from the tools and just connect the last top and last bottom. So this is the Fibonacci level. We can see that the Bank Nifty has undergone this correction, and once the correction is done, it has now tested the 61.8% level on the upside. So as we know that the 61.8% is quite a powerful resistance zone. So first resistance is 38.2, so it has cleared it with a gap. second one is 50%. Once again it has cleared it, and now it has been struggling at the 61.8% level. Once it has hit the 61.8% level, that is around 26,750 zone. So after that it has seen some intraday corrections. So this is an hourly chart, so you can see how the correction is moving in. We have deleted the Fibonacci. So currently Bank Nifty is trading at 26,675.80 level. So now let us go to today's second link. So it is bit.ly/banknifty.oy. So you need to remember this link, bit.ly/banknifty.oy. Just copy this link, open up your browser, paste this link. You will be coming to my site, and there is a page of Bank Nifty open interest. So I have given a short link to my Bank Nifty open interest page for those who do not want to remember and bookmark my site. So those who already are familiar with my site, you can come down to my site stockmaniacs.net, stockmaniacs.net. There is home, contact, services, freebies, market data. Under this market data you will find open interest. There is Nifty open interest and Bank Nifty open interest. So we are concerned about Bank Nifty open interest today. So now once this page is open, first you can find out the put call ratio of Bank Nifty, so PCR of Bank Nifty, and then the current open interest scenario. So we can see these large bars. So large bars are actually call open interest. So these blue bars are call open interest and the red bars are put open interest. So we can see that quite high call open interests are there at 26,800 level. After that there are high open interests on call option at 26,900, highest open interest at 27,000 level, and there is almost similar open interest in call and put at 26,700 zone. So call and put both are almost same, and once again at 26,600 the put open interests are higher. So we can see that Bank Nifty open interests are highest are higher at put at 26,600 and calls are higher at 26,800. So we can almost say that Bank Nifty is going to expire between this zone. So this maximum upside of Bank Nifty is 26,800 and maximum downside is 26,600. And Bank Nifty is currently trading around it is trading around 26,674. So if it comes down towards the 26,600 zone, if it comes below quite below 26,600 zone, you can buy a call option and you can make money out of that. And you can see that this 26,700 zone is absolutely it is undecisive, because both calls and puts both are almost same. So you can understand what kind of game is going to happen. So if suddenly Bank Nifty goes up above the 26,800 mark, you can buy a put option and you can make money, because Bank Nifty is neither going to expire above 26,800 nor going to expire below the 26,600 mark. And this zone 26,700 is undecisive, so better not to trade close to this zone. So either you need to wait for 26,600 and Bank Nifty to come below 26,600, or you need to wait for Bank Nifty to move above 26,800. So this is the current scenario of Bank Nifty. And as I have told that Bank Nifty has already hit the 61.8% mark. And it has there some small corrections have started. I believe that if Bank Nifty goes towards 26,700 mark also, there also some risky short positions can be made. So this is the current scenario of Bank Nifty. You can wait till the expiry. I'll also shoot another portion of this video around the expiry, so you can find out how the Bank Nifty is actually behaving over there. Another thing I am telling, that as you see the Bank Nifty here 26,700 is undecisive. So let us come down to a smaller chart. So 26,700 mark is undecisive. So if Bank Nifty trades below this 26,700 mark, there is high chance that it can come down towards 26,600 zone. So below, see, these bars are 100 points apart. So if it trades below the 26,700 for some time, there is high chance that it can come down towards 26,600. That is the next support, right? So you can also play like this. So current trend is down for Bank Nifty. Current trend is down, but still Bank Nifty is neither going to expire above 26,800 nor going to expire below 26,600. Now there is another way of trading the Bank Nifty for the option sellers. As we know that Bank Nifty is neither going to expire above 26,800 nor going to expire below 26,600. So there is high chance that the 26,800 call option and the 26,600 put option of today's expiry will expire worthless. So the current price of call option is around 47 rupees and the price of put option is around 11 rupees. So 46 plus 11, so it is around it is coming to around 60 rupees if you calculate both the premiums. So you can short both of them and you can hold till expiry. If you are getting a premium of around 58 60 rupees, you can actually keep a stop loss of around 15-20 rupees and you can wait for the target of 60. Both will become zero and the traders can make money out of that. So you can trade these two kind of strategies over here. For the option sellers, they can sell both the 26,800 call option and 26,600 put option and they can make money. And the option buyers can wait for Bank Nifty to go just above well above 26,800 and buy a put option, or go well below 26,600 and buy a call option and make some money over there. You can get the call option or put option at very cheap rate, at 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and there are high chances that the money will be doubled. I am just talking to you for some time. Previously we are seeing that the combined premium of the total this call and put were around 58-60 rupees. When I am talking to you, the combined premium is right now only 50 rupees. So already you can see only 48 rupees. So already 10 rupees has gone. So this kind of game can be played on the expiry. So both ways you can make money. Both the option buyers and option sellers can make money. So I'll take a short break. I'll come down just before the expiry and I'll show you the result. So welcome back, friends. Let us now conclude the webinar. We will see what happened in the last 15-20 minutes, half an hour. So after the interval, we are restarting this webinar at 14:55. So it is just 35 minutes left to the expiry. Now let us see what are the fate of the trades. We have already shown you can short both the call options and put options. You can short 26,800 call option and 26,600 put option, because we were sure that the expiry is going to happen in between 26,800 and 26,600 zone. So the premium we received from the call and the put was around 58-60 rupees, and you can see the current premium. The call is at 8 rupees, 9 rupees, and the put is at 11 rupees. So the combined premium is just 20 rupees. So we have already got 40 rupees profit. So this is the power of the expiry day trades. So we have made money shorting call and put. And let us see what was there for the call or put option buyers. We told you that if Bank Nifty comes well below 26,600 zone, there will be a bounce. So the option buyers can buy options well below 26,600 mark, or the option buyers can buy a put option well above 26,800 mark. Now we can see that Bank Nifty came below 26,600 in the last bar. Let us take it to the 1 minute candle. Yes, this is the candle when the Bank Nifty came below 26,600. It has hit 26,575. So you can see from that zone, because Bank Nifty is not going to expire below 26,600, so it has to come up. So from 26,575, Bank Nifty has shown a rally till 26,690. So it was a gain of more than 100 points. So the strategy has worked out superbly. Now let us see what was there for the option buyers. If you have bought the 26,600 call option, we can see the call option has made a low around 45.46, and 45 from 45.46 it has made a high of 128. You can see at 1440 bar it has made a low of 45 when Bank Nifty was well below the 26,600 mark, and from there, from 45 rupees, the high was 125 rupees in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes only. So this is the power of expiry day trading. You can keep a target. I have told you that your money will be doubled. So 45 rupees options double price comes at 90 rupees. So your money has doubled, almost tripled. Your money has almost got tripled. So this is the power of expiry day trading. So we have seen that how you can make money both ways, buying a call option and shorting both the calls and puts on the expiry day. You can see we have got a premium, we have got a profit of from 58 rupees, it is now around 19-20 rupees. So we have got a 40 points profit, 40 odd points profit in the shorting options, and we have got a double profit on the buying call option. So we have almost completed the webinar. We have seen what kind of expiry game can be played, but remember, after 3 o'clock the game can change a lot. Once 3 o'clock passes, the option open interest can change a lot. So you need to trade in between 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So do not keep any trades open after 3 o'clock. Whatever profits you have, bag it and go home. Plain and simple. I am telling that Bank Nifty is going to expire in between the band of 26,800 and 26,600. That may or may not happen, that after 3 o'clock the game can change a bit. The game can change a lot. So for that you need to watch out our other chart, this open interest call and put option chain chart. Just refresh the page to get a new chart. Let us wait for the refresh chart. Yeah, so this is a refresh chart. You can see these are the open interest chain charts. So we can see that the option writers are quite active on the call options on 26,600 and 26,500, and right now it is 15:13, so it is almost only 15 minutes left for the expiry. So as we are seeing now, the call option open interests are rising. That means people are shorting call options. Even they are shorting the 26,500 call options. There is high chance that the expiry can become also below 26,600. So take your profit before 3 p.m. and watch out the expiry game from the sideline. I feel I have completed the webinar. We have seen how to play the expiry day, in Bank Nifty. As we have 4 expiries in a month, 4 or 5 expiries every week, there is an expiry. So every week there is a profit opportunity. You can earn huge profits from the Bank Nifty weekly options. So if you have liked the video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account under me. For that, to join my trading team, just WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to this number +91 96743 21856. So thanks a lot friends for watching the webinar. I wish I'll be able to come out with more such strategies or more such money making strategies that will that can make you a profitable trader altogether in the future. Thanks a lot once again. Bye bye.